Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Got another live trading day. Gonna be trading micro E-mini NASDAQ 100 contract. It's my go-to instrument. I have two top step accounts. I know you guys are watching that 100K video, bro. I done blown the account on accident. We were doing well, we were in profit, and I didn't close. I became delusional and gave the account back. Discount sitting $90 under start. We were $1,000. A mistake happened, gave it back. I got to start cutting my losers, bro, because I give back a lot of profits for no reason. That's a flaw. We have two accounts. I have this one that's sitting at $1,033 profit. Need two more thousand to pass that, and then 3,090 give or take with this account. So I already did my top down analysis. Essentially been pretty let me show you guys. It's been crazy markets, man. 4 hour choppy, bro. We had a straight fat push after coming into the supply zone a few days ago, well, yesterday, and now we're just trying to see if there's any potential for anything, quite frankly. Trying to see what's up, what's gonna happen. Market has been pretty bullish after coming into this demand, but let me see. I would like to see continuation. Pretty sure it's gonna be a trending day. Pretty sure it's about to be 7. Why it is 7, just literally turned 7. I have a breaker here, breaker slash order block. This is what I want to see. This is actually looking good. Respecting London high. Just this is for sure overbought. We can look for a pullback pretty soon. Pretty sure we're gonna come at least tap this range, and then want a short, at least for a bounce play. But we'll see what happens. Pre-market down here, then we flew up. See where we could stop, where we could pull back to at least. Respect that for value gap. See what happens from here. Trending bullish, but mid-range came down, claimed here. Would be London's low. Mid-range. I don't always have to be exact levels, right? Supposedly 150 pips in a 3-minute candle bar. I don't understand. What happened to the 30-point moves and whatnot? Volume dying out. See what happens. So now it's looking like we're double tapping. Wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection, breakthrough. Patience. So I'm just thinking to myself, we are rejecting. Could really be something like that. Coming to the midway point. And go in one contract on a short real quick. We can just snag a little profit. I don't like the way this is playing out. Feels like this bullish run is exhausted, to be honest. If it is, then I'm gonna expect it to come back to at least this line. One contract, we want to manage risk well. See what we're able to get. Just gonna close out that position. A little quick scalp. I don't want to go counter to the trend, even though I could have held it. It was one contract. Want to secure some profits. See what's gonna happen. Literally off that, but it was like 100 points. Not too shabby. The forced breakout of a 1-minute trend line. Don't want to go counter towards the trend. Last thing I want to do is give back money we can't afford to give. Well, at least my account's basically now at break even. I'm gonna find some actual structure in this play. If we could get in between here, I'm gonna do to contract buy. As a matter of fact, put a limit order. Let's trade more logistical right now. But the slippage is crazy, bro. They're taxing on these coins. Market can pull back, stomp me in. We'll see what we can do there. Market wants to come in and stomp us in. Got a buy limit order place at psychological level 1300 flat. So we'll wait to see what market does. Hopefully we get bought in. If not, well, it's okay. Our side does look overbought, but doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna reverse. We need more confluences. Gotta pull back on that 3-minute. I know when to buy in right now once the market shows me what's happening, but don't want to get caught up in little moves. This would be a more valuable supply zone. I'll be right back. This is the trade idea we're looking for. Take it to higher highs. That'd be a great trade, but we'll see if it is possible. With these Trump markets, man, just gotta be careful. Just don't want to be over risking for no reason anymore. Bro, I had to learn so many times, bro, to not over risk and to manage risk. It's ridiculously simple to understand, but to actually implement is another conversation. Like, yeah, we might know, oh, don't add to a losing trade, but bro, it's a button away and having conviction in the trade. But then we forget that leverage and margin exists, and that starts to compound on every single tick that goes against you. Over leveraging is such a detrimental negative factor. If you are struggling with it in your trading, it's gonna limit you, it's gonna prohibit you, and it's gonna delay your success. And not only that, it's gonna cost you money. You guys are able to understand that you need to live to trade another day. Money doesn't grow on trees. And manage that risk, because these markets are literally brutal right now. I've never experienced markets like this. The volatility, it's just crazy, a whole lot. But let's see, market data reject that midpoint, look for value gap, shorting, see we could get bought in, pushing to entry. I wouldn't be sad if I get stumped out here. That'd be fine, but like this zone a lot of demand, sell side hiding in there. You guys already know what we're looking for. That's why I'm cleaning up the charts. Keep in mind, we're bullish. This is a 1-minute chart. We're breaking out for little retracement. Could buy here, and that would be considered a double top, a double bottom in 1 minute. But let the 1 minute do its thing. See if we could hit 1300 and buy my order in. All right, yeah, our side's gonna start coming up up soon. Just hope it enters me. I'm telling you, these buy limit orders are sometimes skeptical from my strategy, but sometimes they give us even better entries. We'll see what happens. My order's in. If market takes off without us, I'll buy in, but I'll manage my risk. We look for another entry. Be right back. Little indecision in the markets right now. It's been fighting. I've been watching it on my phone. Don't think I'm not observing the markets, bro. Just had to go handle some things real quick. I'm gonna have to handle some more things right now, but just wanted to come check up on what's going on. Sellers are losing their power here. For sure want to see a sell side grab down here, man. Push. We're fighting, breaking through London's high. The bid is on. This is looking like a head and shoulder pattern, bro. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Depending on the close. I don't know, man. We're still good though. We're not making lower lows. We did claim that 5 minute sell side though. 1 minute, 21 seconds to a close with that 5 minute candle. 3 minutes, losing power. Do I want to modify the trade? A little bit. Does it make sense to? A little bit. I could got bought in right there. Put my stop basically under here. Indecision on the 15. Flush highs. 33 seconds. 30 minute creating a doji. Looking like a reversal's coming. But you never know with these markets, man. Really never know. Oh yeah, that 1 hour is gonna have some more volume. 1, 2. I mean, the way things are looking, we're a big engulfing 5 minute. Did not create lower lows. Just created a lower high. Could be an order block. Having some resistance around here. Hit the wickies. Having some resistance. Not breaking higher highs. Wick rejection. Just gotta wait for a confirmation, man. Is it gonna be a continuation? Is this gonna be a... Gotta see what's gonna happen. If we do break through though. That volume is looking great. May just be a smart money chart. See how the market wants to react. I wouldn't mind taking a 1 contract short, but still want to see what's going to happen. Not trying to go counter to the trend. We have been bullish. Would have been a more valuable demand, but has not got tested. Making that double top now. Charge up my phone. Probably hop in to sell if I want, but basically indecision. Respecting London's high. If I see a close above this, we're going to change direction here and start looking for market execution upwards. I want to see a strong close at least above here. And a pullback at least like here. A lot happening right now. 2 minutes coming in hot. Expected that London. See what's gonna happen here, boys. Damn. Hello, rejection.
You wanted the girl to fall in the water yesterday?
She's just this?
Yep.
Playing with the red thing?
No, I was running to the back with Chance, and she was looking at me that
Walking?
I was gonna go. No, she just took a step back, watching us.
And file. Oh my gosh. Tapping is over. See how we want to react. Swing high. Golden zone. Oh, that's still golden zone. 61 flush. Stop loss. Now I would be leaving a running. 1 to 8. Want to make sure we're following true trend. It's a nice buy limit. The market could literally respect this zone right here. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I was like debating right there. A market execution would be great, but I really don't want to jump in too early, especially with a engulfing candle like that. 5 minute. We should have some room to the downside. With that second account, let me log into my TradeOvate. With that second account, I'm gonna take 100. I'm gonna take 1 con and hold. Different risk appetite. I'm saying. MNQ, gonna buy 1. Order filled. Bought in, gonna leave that running. First buying runner. It was early, but it's okay. I have headroom. 1 contract, bro. Little pin bar. I know these markets are looking like they want to reverse though. All this rejection on towards the upside, but it could be accumulating buy limit orders. While down here we have buy limit orders. We have sell limit orders up here for TPs and whatnot. But market for sure should push up, man. Been bullish all morning, bro. As I said, let me show you guys what's going on real quick. We got 1 contract open on here. Position 1, mini NQ. Not really tripping. Gonna have that one open for a few. So hope everything plays out well. Different risk appetite for different portfolios. Gotta understand what's going on and the potential. Bro, I almost want to buy in on here as well, man. That's crazy. We're losing volume in these candles. Market does not want to make lower lows. 30 minute was a doji candle. Bro, I'm not gonna miss it. I'm not gonna miss it. Psychological 400. And this to 150. 300 tick. That's good. Alright. Really don't want market to run without me here. Market execute. Going in. Don't want the market to leave me. Now I got 2 runners in. Got a buy limit. And I'm gonna leave it. Modify this for 2 cons. Because by the time that enters, we're gonna be 2 in. Now that we got my trades in play, I'm gonna do my thing. I told you guys I had to go handle some stuff real quick. Want to make sure I put my take profits in. Perfect. I'll be managing the position on my phone, depending on what happens. But not tripping. Managing risk. 15 minute could literally just blow up and start stacking its way upwards. Sellers haven't been able to pull it back. We'll see what happens. Gotta be able to deploy capital, bro, when you believe in your system. Buy limit 2. Oh, hell no. I want buy limit 1. I want more than... Yeah, that's crazy. I want 1 con in there. Order filled. We just got bought in. Now we're in 2 cons and sell stop. And this was our best risk to reward. Now we're risking about 30 more pips. Damn. Motherfucker melting. Let it do his thing. Really don't want to get stumped here. Possible. Nice entry. That's where we would have got market buy limit order. Got the little wikis right there though. Most likely we'll get stomped here. I'll move it a little bit. Still probably will stomp us. 1 con is costing me 250 on this account. Clearly it's 2 contracts on this account. So this is actually interesting now because we're supporting my first buy limit order. So I don't want to overextend because over leveraging is going to be crazy. I'm going to let it get stomped. If it buys me in, we're back in, but we'll get stomped for around 500, which is most likely going to happen. Seller stepping in. It's okay. Got a little more. Give me some breathing room, man. Order filled. Stop filled. All Alright, got 2 contracts out, but we're bought in on one. Count is sitting at a little while, but first position lost. Yeah, we are shorting deep. I knew it, bro. I knew what we were looking at. It's just couldn't change my buy. Gonna go in 2 cons on here. Got a total of 3. Did we get that little reversal? Pretty sure we will. About 2 cons on my other account. I have conviction, bro. This is what we were waiting for in the first place. What goes down quick must go up quick, bro. See what happens. Start risk to reward. Got our re-entry. Now if we get stopped here, we're done for the day. 3 cons, monthly support, overextended 15. Now we're gonna let the market do its thing. Be back, boys. Alright, we going up now. We going up. Alright. See those fibs, bro. They don't lie to you, bro. Fibs do not lie, man. Now we're barely making back what we lost, bro. For that, cause I'm not trying to lose none. Bro, I'm trying to lose none. Oh hell no, boy. Let's continue to buy. We are nowhere near where we gotta be. Just don't want to get psyched out. We'll go right under market structure. Let that boy run. Barely going to where I took my first entry. Yeah, we got potential in this trade, bro. Following the trend, buying higher. This 5 minute can do a better job at closing. 3 minute engulfing is ridiculous. That's power to the buyer. Yeah, we can straight continue to buy. This 15 minute extends, man, and comes all the way back to runner. This is a golden trade. We're fighting and break through 14,400. That's realistically what we would want to see. Strong 5 minute close. Just really want to know how this 15 minutes gonna decide close. This position's great, man. It's just 3 contracts is not what I wanted to risk, and it is getting pretty debatable. Here's both possibilities. We just touched the fair value gap, we see a reversal, or we can see a breakthrough. We can see a reversal, come back down, boom. We can see literally, we can see that happen, or we can see move stops to break even. I want to manage my risk here, man, because if market does reverse on us, I don't want to be asked out. Live to trade another day, essentially. What I am gonna do is put it a little lower to breathe. All right, now I'm gonna go do what I have to do. So watch the trade. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. My phone risk is managed, so I'm not too upset at whatever happens here. I'm gonna put a take profit. No, I don't even need to. Let the market do its thing. Markets work by going up and down, boys. Let it do its thing. Done. Enough of my psychology. All right, so what we're gonna do. So we got my positions running. Close 2 here because I want to secure some profit. Close 2. Order fill. So market. Do the runners running. Manage risk so I don't stress. Let the runner run. Now count is sitting at break even. Let it do its thing. Not worried if it reverses or anything like that. Perfect. So what we're looking like. We just secure profits. This account is can't even tell. I know there's a way for me to check this. All right here. So basically we've already secured $300 on this account. I wanted to close out a couple of those contracts because I did not want to be over leveraged clearly, but managing the risk. I'm gonna leave this runner running. Realistic take profits right here. Although it couldn't go up there, but possibilities, right? Where's my order? Buy stop. Sell limit, sell stop. We're good. Let the runners run. Make me money, NASDAQ. I believe in you, bro. As I said, 1 con in. This account is sitting at $360 open P&L, 340 on this guy. Basically same positions, just managing 2 accounts. And let the runner run. Hopefully we see some explosive momentum, but it's possible we just end up using this as resistance and shorting. But we already got our stop losses in place, so not really tripping. In case you want to come fuck around and find out, still gonna make me money. 19,325 that is enough of my commentary. I will be back and not too worried about these positions anymore. We secured the profit for the day and we moved stop loss to close in profit just in case market does reverse. Just got to be patient, trust the process, and let it do its thing. 5 minutes been building staircase to heaven. That's what we like to see, boys. Risk management. Yeah, there's potential for this trade to keep on running. Leave it in. See you guys in a bit. Gotta finish what I'm doing. All right, y'all seen what happened right there? We got closed out of our position. It's 100% fine. We took partials all the way up top, so we're good. But being that we are kind of resisting London's high, 15 minute engulfing. We're running into cons and we're buying. Tell you why right now. 1 hour is oversold. Following 2 trend, we've been bullish. Just saying. Position's not over yet, bro. We're at this high support range. There's an hourly support as well, so current hours. It's engulfing, but it's not a lower low. Quite sad. Perfect doji in this demand zone. These fib levels are very respected right now. It's a golden zone, by the way, in my strategy. Trying to see what happens real quick. A little turn to the upside. We literally closed right here. First trades, we closed 2 cons up, made profit, bought in 2 down here. We're gonna let this thing do its thing, man. It can happen quick, or it can take its time, bro. That was not gonna hold, bro. We just came to fake that. SMT, filling that fair value. Got those here. Let me touch the demand. This is golden. What I told you. Order filled. Full close there. Stop filled. Stop filled. Honestly, we're done for the day. That was good. Quick liquidity grab. 100 points. That was good, bro. I'll take it. Real quick. I want to see what that original one we had placed here. Yeah, that was perfect, bro. Literally just snagged. Look, right when we placed that buy, bro. Snagged 400 on this account. All I need is 1,300 to pass. Done trading this account for today. And we're back in profit on this account. So everything's looking golden. It was an amazing trading day, as you guys seen, bro. We were managing risk well. Didn't want to make more. Didn't want to hold. I don't need all that stress or all that risk right now. It's been a crazy day, bro. Been in like 3 positions. Mentally done for the day, bro. Even though we already know what my potential and my setup has, it could fly all the way up. It's okay. I am satisfied with my trades for the day. Took that trade. Take that trade. And we also took this buy. Closed around here. Immediately when that happened, bro, I managed my risk. Immediately. Candles like that, bro. Especially in the markets we're in right now. You don't even want to test your luck, my boy. Keep it 100. Do not want to test What's your luck? Yeah, we took 3 trades today. And that was me trading this account that I was in drawdown. You guys literally seen that. Was able to profit 566 for the day, even though we lost a couple trades, as you guys seen. Pretty interesting. A lot of back and forth today. I'm just glad we were able to end with a profit, right? You guys seen 500 something today. It literally started with taking shorts, and then we took an early buy here for one con. Market melted. I ended up getting bought in, as you guys seen. I got bought in like around here, buy in, and then it kept going down. So I was 2 contracts in, and then once we got here, I got my actual market buy order that I wanted to wait for. It's just I wasn't patient, even though I knew this demand zone was more valuable, which is part of the learning process. Working on executions, better entries. Take profit was amazing on this trade. I already knew it was dying out. We saw momentum dying off, and then a clear break of the bullish trend line, depending on how you want to look at it. But I did my job for the day, bro. We came back to that first entry, closed out 2 contracts. We were now sitting at break even in this account and profitable. Let the runner run. As you guys seen, I don't know, I was managing the position. I did give it more headroom, but we did get wicked out. I didn't want to give it more than my original entry. Didn't want to go into the negative with that trade. So as soon as we got stumped out basically for $20 profit with that runner that was running, we were able to hit a re-entry. And as soon as I bought, that flew up within the 1 minute. You guys seen, managed risk. Was able to secure another 300, 400 on that immediately. And then on this account, everything's going well. We have more profits here just because we had better entries and risk appetite was managed well. That was a live trading session, bro. You guys seen me not only manage risk today, but implement what I've been studying, implement what I know I have to do. Just let the markets do their job. Let them do their thing, man. Sometimes it's strictly not about the money. Sometimes it's just about trusting the system and your opportunities. Something I struggle with is putting trades to break even. Sometimes I just rather risk. I'm like, okay, if it doesn't go up, then it's gonna go down. But having that mindset is making me give back a lot of profit. And I've been noticing that that's something that's not valuable, you know? We can maximize our potential by implementing discipline and following the rules. Capital preservation, most definitely, that's where true success is gonna come, because not only are you making money now, you're managing that risk. As soon as you're up in profit, put the stop loss to break even at bare minimum. Let the runners run. If you see your profit target, close out and be done for the day. Today, I am mentally shot with all the scalping back and forth. I'm good. I made the money I wanted to make. We ended up making some profit in this account, so that made me really happy. We have more headroom now. I was originally up 900 on the account, so we're basically 500 lower. Still got around $1,500-$1,600 in headroom for my true stop loss, so we'll keep continuing to grow steadily. I'm liking how the 1 contract are making me feel mentally, so just gotta trust your system, man. Be disciplined enough to follow your rules, because in trading, you are your own boss. No one's gonna come save you. No one's gonna come help you. No one's gonna tell you to close out the position once you're in profit. And then again, most of us are just trading to see a profit, but we don't even secure the money when the market gives it to us. So follow your rules. Be strict on yourself. Live to trade another day. Capital preservation is what's gonna allow that to happen on a consistent basis. Tired of buying eval accounts and doing the same mistakes, man. I journal. I pay for my mistakes. I pay for my knowledge and my wisdom in these markets. I always have. I've never done demo trading. I've never used free accounts. I've always committed capital, and my personal capital at that. I'm gonna talk to you guys pretty soon. I'm gonna make a video just explaining like what's going on and how I'm managing my finances right now in trading, because it's an interesting situation I'm in. But I just want full transparency, and I just want to have it documented, the steps of what I've been through, struggles, trials, and tribulations and whatnot. But today's gonna be a very busy day. Yesterday on the 8th, I just uploaded my first live trading session. You guys seen it? It was March 31st. I was trading 100K's Top Step account. That account did get blown up. I have the footage. I'm working on editing all the content for you guys so I can upload it to MN.Trades. Just stay tuned. There's a lot on the way. I'm doing all this like live trading and documenting, not only to educate you guys, but to show you guys the true transparency of what it is to become a successful trader. I have about almost 4 years in the markets, all real capital, real experience, real emotions. I'm telling you, I've been through the trials and tribulations. We're definitely making progress, and I appreciate everyone showing me love, showing me support, supporting the system, supporting the vision. Make sure to tap in Discord if you guys are interested in my trades and interested in the community. The server's name is Fears None. We're all in there, bro. We got like 13 or 14 people right now. It's awesome. You get me? We're starting slowly but surely, but eventually we're gonna be upgrading everything. I already have all my office and everything taken care of, my setup, laptop. I'm able to produce what I want to produce for you guys. But in regards to social media, just stay tuned. There's a lot to learn if you guys understand the markets beyond the basics. Behind the scenes, I'm working on the course. I'm working on some educational things for you guys, and then it's a lot of entrepreneurship involved with everything I'm doing. But if you guys are interested in all that, interested in self-development, interested in education, learning, growing with with not only yourself, but having a community of people to support you and like-minded individuals, make sure to tap in. That's what I'm here for. I want to be able to provide a community. We're not necessarily here, excuse me. Hello? What's up? Yeah, why? All right, then be safe. Call me if you need anything. Mm-hmm. Love you more. Bye. Man, I lost my train of thought answering the phone, but anyways, as I was saying, man, if you guys want a community that will support you, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. We're all brains to bounce ideas off of and to get the direct answer we need. I want to find experienced traders. I want to help beginner traders. I want to help people that are actually interested in the market. And then eventually I will offer, once I get my consistency up, I will offer one-on-one coaching, one-on-one mentorship, co-op in Zoom calls, give you guys my personal number, FaceTime calls, whatever it is. And I'm going to be out there trying to support you guys, trying to help you guys, clearly at a cost. Nothing in life is free. There are things in life that are free, but you reap the rewards of the education that is free. So once you grind, once you study, once you know exactly what you need to know, you know what questions to ask to get the results you want, tap in. As I said, there's a community here. We're going to keep growing. We're going to keep uploading. We're going to be consistent with everything we do and make a change, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like the live trades and seeing me manage positions, seeing me manage risk, seeing my mindset and process behind the things I do, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share this with anyone that understands trading. And if they don't understand trading, share it with them to put them on, bro. This is internet money. Like, do you guys understand the potential here? Margin and leverage is a real thing. Don't let anyone tell you this is betting. It's only gambling if you literally don't know what you're doing and you're throwing money at candlesticks. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like we're going to casino and putting $1,000 on red 26 and spinning the roulette. Like, no, we're not doing that. Not playing blackjack. We are using our technical analysis skill followed with patterns, price action, economic data, and we are taking trades. You buy long, you sell short. You wait till it goes to a premium, you sell your buy order. If market goes to a premium, you sell, and once it goes low, you buy. Like, you get me? It's very simple. It's just a lot of technical terms that you got to get familiar with and vocabulary. But once you understand the basics, bro, everything is just like a puzzle piece. Everything just starts compounding, essentially. Just don't focus on the money. Focus on understanding these actual charts, because these are more valuable than you will ever imagine. And honestly, if you're passionate about trading, like, understand that it's like magic, bro. This is literally like magic. If you can literally read this to an English or to whatever language you are fluent in, if you can read these charts, bro, magic, sorcery. Talking about Harry Potter, sorcery, bro. Avada Kedavra type stuff, bro. I'm not even going front, bro. This is crazy. Look at what the market's literally respecting this demand zone for a little quick buy. I'm not gonna take it, but this is what I'm seeing as I'm talking to you guys. Literally just take it to this half point. If you just want a little cheeky trade, see what would happen here. This is theoretical, but this is just what my eyes are seeing. That's basically it for me today. Oh, sorry, forgot to click the scene. This is what I was looking at. Respecting this demand zone, the cheeky trade. Not putting capital, bro. I'm just showing you guys, like, this is what I see. But anyways, that's it for me today. Today we traded for about 2 hours. Not too bad. Made a total of like what was it? Basically like 1,300 if we include both accounts. But yeah, GG's. Great trading. Hope you guys enjoyed. Live trading sessions are coming more consistent. So subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell. Working on Instagram, working on Twitter. So if you guys want to follow me there, stay tuned up with what I got going on. Make sure to hit the links in the bio. And yeah, trade safe, trade smart, be disciplined, follow your rules, create the system you need that's going to guarantee your success. Things do not happen on accident, man. Everything has to be intentional. Everything has to have intention and lead you to the outcome that you desire in your life. Together, let's grow. Together, let's learn, and let's prosper. God bless you guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are interested, make sure to join the Discord community. That's where you can contact me. Literally, I get notifications to my phone, so hit me up. Stay safe out there. It's a crazy world. Peace and love, my boys and women's. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Take care.